All right.
Hey guys, take a look at this. Styrofoam straight from China at the edge of our Cottonwood wetland restoration. Now before we get started with the live fish, I want to draw your attention to the wetland. And you can see here, right here by the shore here, these long thick blades and then these thinner grasses everywhere. These are actual aquatic vegetation from a wetland that we uncovered by digging down here 6 feet. We did not put this in here. This is tubers that existed at this depth that spontaneously just came up. Absolutely amazing. Even that bush in the middle there, take a look at that. Now these bigger ones are cattails. So I actually went out and got the cattails. Top Knot actually got cattails from Goebels and brought some seeds. But all we had to do was dig a hole and the cattails came right up. We've got dragonflies already everywhere. These are damselflies. Dozens of them and all kind of stuff going on. The wetland is filled with water bugs and all different types of salamander polywogs and frogs in the first half of the year. And now I found this guy in Oregon, and you can find him too on the internet, Frederick Haas. He's from Green Hill Gardens in Eugene, Oregon. And you can pre-order his catfish that he breeds. And so I've got a bunch of tiny little live catfish in here. These are channel cats. And I don't know if you can see them, but they're barely an inch. And so what we're going to do is float these bags on the shore here to just get the fish, get the water in the bags when they got delivered acclimated to the water in the wetland here. Kind of similar to you would do a goldfish. So we're going to get these acclimated. And luckily we have some cool water here in this wetland. And these fish were probably in kind of cool water. So the next step to put these little fish in would be to cut a slice in the bag and to get some of this water into their bag water and let them swim in that for a little bit. Then we'll let them into the pond. One of the reasons we're putting catfish in is because they don't require aeration. Even though our water is aerated coming from the river, we don't have an aerator in here yet. We're still working on sealing the system and raising the levels of the water. So I hope you got something out of the video. We're about to release these catfish into our wetland. Totally stoked. Subscribe to the channel, share this, comment below, and thanks for watching. How do you feel?
Amazing.
Did you hit record?